Good morning, students. Today I will start the construction of triangles. You have learned in previous classes the about triangle. Triangle is a closed figure in a plane which is made up of three line segments and angles. Or in other words, triangle is a closed figure in a plane having three sides and three angles. Next, you know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And third, most important formula, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, or the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. An exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of two interior opposite angles. You know that a triangle has six parts or six elements or six components, that is three sides and three angles. Three sides and three angles are called the six elements of a triangle, या six parts of a triangle or six components of a triangle. A triangle can be constructed when three independent parts or elements are known. Otherwise, you cannot construct the triangle. Now, construction of a triangle when three sides are given, that is SSS triangle construction. SSS means you have given that the measurement of three sides of a triangle. Worksheet 1, page 196. Construct a triangle LMN in which LM equal to 5 centimeter, MN equal to 5.6 centimeter and NL equal to 4.2 centimeter. First of all, you can draw the rough sketch of the triangle. Then construct the triangle. Now, draw a line and cut it. Line segment MN equal to 5.6 centimeter. With M as a center and ML equal to 5 centimeter. Draw an arc ML equal to 5 centimeter. With N as a center and draw an arc NL equal to 4 centimeter. This arc intersects the previous arc at the point L. Now join the point LM and LN. Now question number 2. DEF such that DE equal to DF equal to 4 centimeter and EF equal to 6 centimeter. Measure angle E and angle F. Now draw a line and cut it. EF equal to 6 centimeter. With E as a center and ED equal to 4 centimeter. Draw an arc. With F as a center and draw an arc FD equal to 4 centimeter. They intersect the previous arc at a point D. Join DE and DF. DE equal to 4 centimeter and DF equal to 4 centimeter. Now measure angle E and F. If you measure angle E and F, you will get, if your construction is correct, then you will get angle E equal to angle F. Why? Because you have learned the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So therefore angle E equal to angle F. They are equal angles. Now question number 3. Draw an equilateral triangle, one of whose sides is of length 5 centimeter. You know that a triangle whose all three sides are equal length is called equilateral triangle. So draw first of all a line segment and cut it. Line segment BC equal to 5 centimeter. First of all draw a line, then cut BC equal to 5 centimeter with B as a center and BA as a radius. Draw an arc 5 centimeter. Again with C as a center and CA equal to 5 centimeter. Draw an arc. They intersect the previous arc at a point A. Join AB and AC. Therefore triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now question number 5. Is it possible to construct a triangle whose sides are 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 2.6 centimeter? Look at this question carefully. Here, two smaller sides are 3 centimeter and 2.6 centimeter. Now add it. Find the sum of two smaller sides, length of the smaller sides. The 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter equal to 5.6 centimeter and third side is 6.1 centimeter. Here you cannot construct such type of a triangle because the sum of two smaller sides of a triangle is not greater than the third side. It is less than. 3 plus 2.6 centimeter equal to 5.6 centimeter, which is less than 6.1 centimeter, that is third side. So we cannot construct such type of a triangle. Now question number 6. Draw a triangle PQR in which PQ equal to 7 centimeter, QR equal to 3 centimeter and RP equal to 4 centimeter. Is the construction of triangle possible? No, because sum of two sides of a triangle, that is QR plus RP equal to 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter equal to 7 centimeter, which is equal to PQ equal to 7 centimeter. That means sum of two sides is equal to the third side. So we cannot construct such type of a triangle. Sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, but in this case the sum of two sides of a triangle is equal to the third side. Now question number 4. Draw a triangle PQR in which PQ equal to 3 centimeter, QR equal to 4 centimeter, RP equal to 5 centimeter. Also draw perpendicular bisector of sides PQ. Now first of all draw a line, then cut QR, line segment QR equal to 4 centimeter. Now with Q as a center and QP equal to 3 centimeter, draw an arc. Join PR. So PQR is the required triangle. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segments PQ. So with P as a center, draw an arc which is more than the half of PQ. More than the half of PQ. Draw an arc right and left. Again with Q as a center and draw an arc with they intersect the previous arc. Join these intersecting points. These lines are the perpendicular bisectors of PQ. These perpendicular bisectors of a line segments intersect the PR at a point. That point is the midpoint of PR, because if you construct the correct figure, so in this case PQ square plus QR square equal to PR square, and 3 square that is 9, 4 square that is 16, the 9 plus 16 equal to 25. and 25 can be written as 5 square. So this given triangle is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. You have learnt in next exercise Pythagoras theorem. In a Pythagoras theorem, you will learn PQ square plus QR square equal to PR square, then angle Q is 90 degree. That is triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Now, construct of a triangle with two sides and the included angles are given. You have learnt in worksheet 1 SSS triangle construction. Now SAS triangle construction, yani side angle side triangle construction, worksheet 2 page 197. Construct a triangle AOB given that OA equal to 5 centimeter, OB equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle AOB equal to 50 degree. So remember, we can use compass, ruler and compass when angle is a multiple of 15 degree, but here 50 is not a multiple of 15 degree. So in this case we can construct 50 degree with the help of protractor. If angle is a multiple of 15 degree or 7.5 degree, then you can use ruler and compass. Otherwise you can use protractor. With the help of protractor, draw angle AOB equal to 50 degree. AOB equal to 50 degree. Then draw OA with O as a center and OA equal to 5 centimeter. With O as a center and OB equal to 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc. You will get point A and point B. Join point A and B. AOB is a required triangle. Draw a triangle ABC in which angle A 120 degree and AB equal to AC equal to 3 centimeter. Draw the bisector of angle A. Draw a line and cut it. Line segment AB equal to 3 centimeter. With the help of compass, draw 120 degree. In one arc it is 60 degree and two arcs 60 plus 60 120 degree. Join AC. ABC is the required triangle. Now draw the bisector of the angle A draw an arc, and with C draw an arc. They intersect the previous arc. Now join previous arc, join P, then join AP. AP is the required angle bisector of angle A. Join AP in this way. Now construction 3. Construct a triangle ABC in which angle B 90 degree and AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter. So draw a line and take a line segment BA equal to 4 centimeter. With B as a center, draw a angle ABC equal to 90 degree with the help of compass. Now BC equal to 3 centimeter, join AC. ABC is a required right angle triangle. Now draw a triangle PQR in which QR equal to 4 centimeter and PQ equal to 3 centimeter and angle Q equal to 45 degree. Draw a line, then draw a line segment QP equal to 3 centimeter. With Q as a center, draw an angle PQR equal to 45 degree with the help of compass. First of all, draw angle 90 degree, then bisect the angle 90 degree. You will get 45 degree angle. In angle PQR equal to 45 degree, then QR equal to 4 centimeter, join PR. PQR is a required triangle. Angle Q equal to 45 degree, QP equal to 4 centimeter and QP equal to 3 centimeter. Construct a triangle PQR in which PR equal to 5.6 centimeter, QR equal to 3 centimeter and angle R equal to 50 degree. First of all, draw a line, then draw a line segment PR equal to 5.6 centimeter. With the help of protractor, construct angle PRQ equal to 50 degree with R as a center and RQ equal to 3 centimeter. Draw an arc, join PQ. PQR is the required triangle. Thank you. Have a nice day.